Excuse me, sir.
Oh, hello there. Welcome to the University Library. How are you today?
I am doing well, thank you. It's my first day at university, and I am feeling both excited and a little nervous. Everything is so new to me, but I am looking forward to learning and meeting new people. And how about you? How has your day been so far?
I'm doing well too. Thanks for asking. My day has been quite busy. We always get a lot of new students on the first day, so I've been helping many students like you get settled in. It's always nice to see fresh faces around.
Yes, I can imagine. I've already met a few classmates and everyone seems nice, but it's a big change for me, and I hope to adjust quickly.
I understand. Moving to a new place and starting university can be overwhelming at first, but trust me, you'll settle in before you know it. The key is to stay open to new experiences and keep a positive attitude. So, are you here to register for the library?
Yes, I'd like to get my library membership. I love reading books, and I think spending time in the library will also help me improve my English.
That's a great idea. Reading is one of the best ways to improve your language skills. And don't worry, you'll find plenty of books here that are both enjoyable and educational.
That sounds perfect. I also want to make new friends and enjoy university life while improving my studies. It's important to balance both, right?
Absolutely. University life is not just about studying. It's also about making connections, learning new perspectives, and enjoying the journey.
Hey, I couldn't help but overhear. You're learning Python? That's great. I'm also studying computer science.
Oh, really? That's nice. I just started learning Python, so I don't know much yet.
I've been studying it for 2 years now, and I absolutely love it. At first, I found programming a bit challenging, but once you start understanding the logic, it becomes really fun. I'm especially interested in AI and machine learning. Have you thought about which area of computer science you'd like to specialize in?
AI is really interesting. I've seen some videos about it, but I don't know much. I'd love to learn more about how it works.
AI is indeed fascinating. I'm currently working on a project related to machine learning, where we analyze large sets of data to make predictions. It's a bit complicated, but really exciting. If you're interested, you should consider joining the programming club. We often discuss AI and help each other with coding projects.
That sounds great. I'd love to join the programming club and learn from students who already have experience.
By the way, Ian was just asking about books that can help him improve his English.
Oh, great. I read a lot. What kind of books do you like?
I want books that are interesting and easy to understand. Something that keeps me engaged but also helps me learn new words.
Here are some recommendations. 1. The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, a simple but deep book about dreams and life. 2. Charlotte's Web by E.B. White, a great story with easy English. 3. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone by J.K. Rowling, fun and magical. 4. The Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, short but meaningful. 5. Atomic Habits by James Clear, great for self-improvement.
Oh, and if you like thrillers, try Gone Girl by Gillian Flynn. It's exciting and helps with learning new words.
By the way, when you asked for books, you said, I want books that I can read for fun. A more natural way to say it is, I'd like some books that are fun to read.
Oh, I see. So instead of saying, I want books that I can read for fun, I should say, I'd like some books that are fun to read.
Exactly, it sounds more natural.
Little corrections like this will really help you sound more fluent.
Thank you. This was a great conversation. I already feel more confident.
Definitely. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. Just keep speaking, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Yes, making mistakes is part of the learning process. Everyone does it. The important thing is to learn from them.
Thank you. This was a great conversation. I already feel more confident.
You're welcome. Enjoy your book, and have a great time at university.
See you around, Ian.